it's your girl Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently back in Australia, back in Sydney, and today I've booked in to get my nails done. Oh, that sun, that glow. Today I'm visiting Mannequin Hands, a very cool nail studio owned by Victoria. I've been following her work for years, and let me tell you, she takes nail art to a whole new dimension, maybe even another universe. Her designs are statement pieces that are effortlessly cool, funky, and far from being basic or plain. As soon as I stepped into her studio, I could tell the decor perfectly matches her style and vibe. She had endless amounts of nail colors, drawers full of gems and embellishments, pretty much everything you need to make your nail dreams come true. Now, before we jump into it, I want to give a big thanks to today's sponsor. A big shout out to Casetify for sponsoring this video. They're the go-to brand for tech accessories, especially when it comes to protecting our precious phones and other devices. I've been using Casetify phone cases for years and they've never let me down. All my devices have stayed safe and sound in one piece. Fingers crossed it stays that way. What I absolutely love about Casetify is their extensive selection of designs to suit every individual taste. Whether you're into gaming, floral patterns, dreamy clouds, groovy vibes, art-inspired designs, or even if you need daily reminders or uplifting quotes to get you through the day, Casetify has got you covered. And if that's not enough, they also offer customization, so you can create your own dream case with your name or a personalized message on it. Right now, I'm rocking one of their funky mirror cases in this adorable green checkered design. I also customized another one with my name on it. The mirror finish is not only stylish but also super convenient for quick makeup touch-ups on the go, or even for checking my teeth after a meal. The case itself is slim and sleek, providing optimal protection without compromising on style. Let's talk about the features that matter. These cases can handle drops of up to 4.9 feet, that's almost 2 meters, which is really important because I'm super clumsy and I have a 1-year-old who loves throwing my phone around. So at least I have peace of mind knowing that my phone is well protected. Plus, these cases are wireless and MagSafe charging compatible, so charging is a breeze. Another awesome thing about their cases is that it's made with 50% recycled materials. Now, if you guys are thinking of upgrading your case, I highly recommend you check out casetify.com/TinaYong. And guess what? You can get 15% off your next purchase using my code 15TinaYong. As always, I'll leave the details for you guys in my description below. Now back to the video. Here's a quick look at my natural nails before they get transformed. Vic begins by delicately pushing back my cuticles. Then she gently files my natural nails down. She also files my nail plate very lightly to create a rough surface for the gel extensions we're going to do later. Fun fact about Vic, she studied journalism and worked as a marketing manager before following her true passion for nails. Since then, her work has been featured in top-notch publications like Vogue and Paper Magazine, and she's even worked on celebrities like Dua Lipa. Talk about inspiring. Now Vic's going in with her e-file to remove any cuticle on my nail plate. Here she's using a diamond flame bit to create a nice clean edge around my cuticles. Then she uses a round ball bit to buff away and exfoliate the excess dry bits. After all the machine prep work is done, she sizes up my nail tips so that they fit perfectly, and she paints a layer of base gel over my natural nails. After that's cured, she meticulously applies the full cover tip extensions. This is going to create the perfect canvas for her artistic vision. To remove any excess gel that seeped out, she's using a ceramic cuticle bit. Then she files and shapes the extensions. For the base color, Vic's painting on this jelly peachy coral shade. She's going to use 2 coats of that so that it looks a little bit more opaque but still see-through. Now it's time to do some airbrushing. First color she's using is a light pink. And she's spraying that onto some parts of my nails. Next is this vibrant orange. She's using this to create a stunning gradient effect. Guys, this is my first time experiencing airbrush nail art and I'm blown away by how quick and seamless the process is. Like if I were to attempt to make this sort of gradient using gel, it would take me ages. I feel inspired to learn airbrushing now. Okay, now Vic is going to add in her creative touch. She paints on these swirly blobs using a thick clear gel, and this is just going over the airbrush paint. Then she places on some little gold metal balls to give more of an intricate detail that makes the design pop. Once everything is in place, it's going to be cured. Now, get ready for a mind-blowing technique. Vic uses some alcohol to wipe over the nail, and it actually removes the airbrush parts around the swirls, revealing the base color underneath. And you get this awesome effect. Unlike gel that cures under the light, the airbrush solution air dries and it can be removed to reveal this cool pattern underneath. Such a cool technique. It's my first time seeing this done. Next, she applies a coat of top gel to lock it all in. She goes above and beyond by applying top coat to the underside of my nails as well. Not only does it create a nice neat finish, but it also cleverly conceals any minor scratches on the extensions, especially when you have a see-through base. I have to say, Vic's attention to detail truly sets her apart. Okay, I bet you're curious about the cost. Well, all of this creativity and skill comes at a price of 180 Australian dollars, which roughly converts to 117 USD. It's worth every penny in my opinion. The level of artistry and the uniqueness of the design makes it so special. I love the colors she used. The 3D effect is so cool, and that gradient technique, I need to try it out. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more amazing nail content, don't forget to check out my nail playlist. And of course, remember to subscribe. That is it from me. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!